Well, in this module or in this optional video, you can say I am going to show you how to set up Visual Studio Code to build Flutter apps. As you can see over this setup and editor part, that we can use Android Studio as well as IntelliJ as well as Visual Studio Code as well as Emacs. Visual Studio Code and Emacs are some lightweight editor with Flutter app execution and debug support. So if your machine requires a lightweight thing, then you should use VS Code. So this is some simple steps, like you should open this VS Code link and download it and just install that, and then start VS Code, go to extension and install Flutter extension. This is very simple steps you have to follow. Just start VS Code, okay, then go to extension, Flutter, and you can see it is already installed in my computer. And if it is not in your installed in your computer, then just install it and then restart the Visual Studio Code, and then go over here and open file, open folder, then just select a folder, or you can create a new folder, Flutter testing, say okay, and just select folder, and in this folder I am going to keep all my Flutter projects. Okay, now you can just create a Flutter project very easily by go to terminal and new terminal, then write create Flutter create, and then your app's name you have to enter here. Like I'm going to enter simply Flutter test app. Okay, so it will generate all the required files to build the app. Okay, here you can see that main dot. Okay, you can just close now this terminal. This is a sample code already written by Flutter team, and you can just tap this button. Okay, if I tap this button, it is showing that I don't have any device connected. Okay, if I have connected my real Android device, it should not show. It should directly run the app in my device. As no device has been connected to my machine, it is showing. You can create an Android emulator, or I have an emulator already installed, so I just select that. It will open the emulator. Okay, we had created this emulator when we were using Android Studio, and it will start processing the first run of this app in this device. Okay, and here you can see all the options. This was play, and now there is a pause option as well, and it is hot reload option, and it is hot restart option, and it is stop option. Okay, you will eventually know what all these things do, and here you can see that everything is working fine. So here it is how you can use VS Code to develop Flutter apps. Okay, so that is it. So now it is your wish what you want to use. You can use Visual Studio Code, you can use Android Studio,